I'm reviewing this Travel Essential Toiletry bottle kit that I got off Amazon. I purchased two of these last December, one for my wife and one for my daughter for our Europe trip. And they absolutely loved it. And I decided, well, I'm going to get me one. So I did. At first I bought it just for my air travel, but now I'm using it for just about all my trips. I put my body wash, shampoo, hand lotion, even able to put some of my cologne in some of the spray bottles, or in one of the spray bottles. So far, our experience with these have been awesome. The silicone feel is soft. They haven't leaked on us yet, and we've used them quite a bit. They have used them more than me, but they're great. They're great. It comes with a little cleaning brush. These little containers that come with it. I wasn't for sure what to use these for. My wife and daughter explained to me that it's for makeup or whatever I don't know, whatever they use. Comes with these little filler spoons, I guess. You can dip in or load these. I'm not sure. Like I said, I don't really use these. My wife has educated me on that. But the spray bottle comes with a little funnel for loading your spray bottle. Oops, sorry about that. So all in all, I really have enjoyed the little kit. Also, the things I like about it is it's TSA approved. There's no guessing on whether or not you got too many ounces or not. You just fill them up and you're good to go. Very compact, very convenient. They do come in different colors. You can check that out. But as for my experience, I love the product. It does exactly what it says. And if you're tired of spills, upgrade your gear now. Thanks.